Kia te whānau. Welcome to another waiata session. And we are learning another universal song in te ao Māori, in our culture, called Purea Nei. It was a song composed by Purea Nei. He more altered the song in remembrance of one of his students who had died after going through a hard time. It's got a beautiful, beautiful meaning. And since it's Christmas, it's not really a Christmas themed song, but in our culture, whenever someone stands up to speak, after they finish their speech, you always do a song to support what the speaker has just said. So if you're looking for a song, I'm going to teach you how to play Purea Nei. And like we always do in these videos, I'll sing the song first, break down the lyrics, and then go over any difficult parts. Purea nei te hau, Horoia, Horoia te ua, Whitiwhitia te ra, Mahea, Mahea ke ngā poraruraru, poraruraru, Makere, Makere ana ngā rere, wairua rere, ki ngā o te rangi, Whitiwhitia te ra, Mahea, Mahea ke ngā poraruraru, poraruraru, Makere, Makere ana ngā rere, Makere, Makere ana ngā rere, Makere, Makere ana ngā rere. So there you go, whānau. Now let's break down the kupu and go over the meaning of the waiata. I've got the kupu here in front of me, but you should have them up on the side, just over here. Now, Purea Nei e te hau. Hau is wind, so that first line is scattered, scattered by the wind. Horoia, Horoia I te ua. Horoia means to wash, or horoi means to wash. Horoia is washed, so, and te ua is the rain. So, Horoia, Horoia e te ua, washed by the rain. Whitiwhitia e te ra. So Whitiwhitia is like to change or to transform. E te ra, ra tamanui te ra is the sun, transformed by the sun. Mahea ke ngā poraruraru, swept away all anxieties. So, you know, obviously poraruraru, anxieties. Makere ana ngā here, removed all restraints, ngā here. Then we move into the next verse. E rere, wairua e rere. Wairua means spirit. So e rere, rere is to fly, so fly, free, the spirit. Ki ngā ao, to the world. Ki ngā ao o te rangi, or the clouds, or to the heavens. Because remember, Purea Nei was referencing his student that passed away, so he was talking about his spirit moving on. And then we go back into Whitiwhitia, Whitiwhitia i te ra, Mahea ke ngā poraruraru, swept away all the anxieties. And then we finish with Makere ana ngā here, and all those restraints are now removed in order for your wairua to spread and fly to the heavens. So it's a beautiful, beautiful song. And like I said, you don't have to do that second verse. You can just do the first verse and then just finish with that Makere ana ngā here, and then the waiata can be done from there. So yeah, let's go over some of the harder parts in the song. if you heard when I was singing, I was kind of repeating lines. That's because there's echoes. Now in the kupu here, you'll see where those echoes need to be. The only one I didn't do was Whitiwhitia. So when you come up to that part, which is Horoia e te ua, Whitiwhitia, and that's usually done by the tāne. So it'll be Purea Nei e te hau, Horoia, Horoia e te ua, Whitiwhitia, Whitiwhitia, and then e te rā. So the kaya, or whoever the best singer in the whānau is usually the one who does that part. But all of the tāne, all of the males will always do that whitia, the haka part. And then we go Whitiwhitia, and then the other one is e te rā, Mahea, Mahea ke ngā poraruraru, poraruraru, Makere, Makere ana ngā here. So just remember all of those echo parts, the haka, and that last, the line Mahea, it's quite quick when the kaya does the echo, or does the lead part, that Mahea, Mahea, and it's like Mahea ke ngā, it's like pretty fast. No, Mahea ke ngā. Yeah, so it's Mahea ke ngā. That's how I sing it anyway, or that's how we sing it. So there you go, e te whānau. Another waiata to add into your kete, to pull it out at Christmas when your kai kōrero stands up to do their mihi to everyone. All the whānau can get up and sing that one, because now you know how to play it as well. If you guys gained any value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more waiata videos like this one, and I will catch you all in the next video. Cheers.